Snowplows have been active. We have a little break in the weather. For the last 2 days, it has been pouring snow. Here in front of us is the Rim Village Cafe and Gift Shop. And I'll show you from the front. You remember what this looked like a couple days ago. I took a video coming in. This is some hardcore snowfall, and it's May 9th. Here's the front side of the Rim Cafe. The park is actually closed today. Highway 62 was able to be plowed, but we've just had so much intense snowfall over the last couple of days. The snowplows could only do so much. So I'm gonna walk on over to the lake. I want the $300. Thank you, Park Service. Thank you, snowplows. Goodbye, snowplow. All right, so I'm at Discovery Point. We've gotten probably a good 4 feet of snow in the last couple days, so I can't show you quite the best vantage point, but it's not bad. I walked out here the day I arrived on the 4th that evening, and I could have gone a bit farther, but I think the road has not been plowed beyond this point. So here we are, and it is starting to snow again. I'm gonna head back, but I'm home for the summer, hurrah! Well, interestingly, the snowplow did in fact make a pass through here. The road is technically closed, but the entire park is closed today. So it looks like somebody opened the gate and did one little pass. So I'm gonna see how far I can access. It looks like it stops just ahead. I was hoping I could make it to Watchman. That's another heck of a good view, but that's okay. Blue skies, living in a little wintertime snow globe. Actually, it's not that cold. It's a massive amount of snow, but pretty decent temperatures. So that looks like I'm turning around up here. All right, well, good to know.